In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points to your resume in Canva. If you're polishing your resume and want to make your accomplishments easier to scan, bullet points are a simple, powerful way to do it. Let's walk through the exact process, step by step, so you can apply bullets cleanly and confidently without formatting headaches. First, open Canva in your browser or app, log into your account, and open the resume design you're working on. This could be a template you started earlier or a document you've already built. Once your design loads, make sure you're on the page and section where you want bullets, typically areas like experience, skills, or achievements. Click directly inside the text box where you want the bullets to appear. In Canva, each block of text usually sits inside its own text box, so clicking once selects the box, and clicking again places your cursor inside it. You should see the text editing cursor blinking. Now highlight the lines you want to convert into bullet points. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the specific lines, or by holding Shift while using the arrow keys to select exactly what you need. Try to keep each point on its own line. Bullets work best when each line is a single, clear thought, like one accomplishment or skill. If you have extra spaces or stray line breaks, this is a good moment to clean them up so the bullets look neat when applied. With your lines highlighted, look to the top toolbar. Depending on your screen size, you may see all options right away, or some may be tucked under the More menu, which appears as 3 dots. If you don't immediately see the list controls, click the 3 dots to reveal additional formatting options. Click the bulleted list icon. As soon as you do, Canva automatically applies bullet points to the lines you highlighted. You'll notice each selected line now has a bullet in front of it, and the spacing adjusts to keep the list tidy. If only part of your text was highlighted, only that section becomes a bulleted list, leaving the rest unchanged. If needed, you can place your cursor at the end of a bullet and press Enter to continue the list, or press Backspace at the start of a line to bring it back to normal text. That's all there is to it. Bullets help readers quickly grasp your strongest points, so keep them concise and consistent. When you're satisfied, review your layout to ensure alignment and spacing look balanced across the page. Your resume will be clearer, more professional, and ready to impress.